might be unconstitutional. Hindi mo alam eh. Ngayon, majority, inaprubahan yan. May sinasabi ng minority, hindi tama. That is the time that you go to court. Once the rules have been approved by the majority, that's when you question grave abuse of discretion. But while the discretion, which is plenary, ibig sabihin plenary, ay walang limits, plenipotentiary in nature, ang exercise ng function ng Senado of rule-making or law-making, hindi pwedeng pigilan yan. You can only question the end result. Pag may batas na, punta ka sa court, uy, unconstitutional. Pag may rule na, punta ka sa Supreme Court, kung minority ka namin, nothing is stopping them. Uy, grave abuse. Pero once ginagawa pa lamang, hindi mo pwedeng pigilan yan. Otherwise, you might as well say that ang Supreme Court comports ang judge whether or not the Senate can exercise its function. Let the Senate exercise its function. Anong function? May proposal ng amendment. Pagbobotohan, na-approve yung amendment. Tingin mo, grave abuse, that's when you go to court. Yung proseso, di mo pwedeng pigilan yan. Yan ang natitirang yung territory that is called non-justiciable or political. Although expanded na sa Section 1, Article 3 ng Constitution ng judicial power, meron pa rin mga areas na hindi pwedeng panghimasukan ng judiciary. That is one of them. The other is the question of executive clemency. Hindi pwedeng panghimasukan yan ng judiciary. May natitira pa rin pong political question. And let no law dean or law professor tell you otherwise. Kasi if something is wrong, 5,000 devils saying it is right doesn't make it right.
Okay.